Good morning, everybody. Welcome. It is July 5th.
Judge has blocked Biden administration's social media censorship move. An injunction will block key agencies and officials from the Biden administration from engaging in meetings and communications with social media companies concerning protected speech. The ongoing case has the potential to significantly impact the First Amendment. So not what the Biden administration was anticipating there. So
I don't really think that it's so much censorship because, like, what was the title of the article there? I don't see it. Hold on one second. Let me look here. Biden admin social media censorship move. Okay, so executive branch, love you to death. So look, you can't censorship social media. Okay, it applies. It is there. You can't. Freedom of speech applies to technology, and if he wants to go in and try to take away those rights, then maybe he should relook at what he swore to do as a president and everything, because we have rights in America, and we just literally celebrated what happens when you take away our rights yesterday. So it's just a little warning for him there. I can say these things now because I'm a civilian and I am not under the purview of the president of the United States anymore. So I'm glad the judge did the right thing. The judge looked at law and he knows law obviously better than politicians do. And I hope to see more judges come out like that and speak their mind and speak their piece in power of the people and our rights. So there you go.
As far as my thoughts, I want to start by saying, maybe people are asking, hey, why are we, we're a crypto channel, we're an investing channel, why are we talking about this? I'm going to explain that in a second. I want to start by saying, I think I'm kind of done censoring myself on political views. I think we need to start calling spades spades. What Biden is doing, it has nothing to do with the fact that he is a Democrat. It has nothing to do with the fact that he has more liberal thinking. I have met so many Democrats and so many liberal thinkers that maybe I disagree with certain issues on, but I respect them, and I honestly believe that some of their ideas, they're really wanting to accomplish what's best for people. That's what debate's for. Debate's about taking two ideas and then debating it out. When it comes to Joe Biden, when it comes to a lot of people that are in power right now, they really are just going after everything that makes this country great. And in this particular situation, some of the things that kind of warranted the judge even taking a look at what he was doing from the White House was censoring anti-Biden speech. He was talking about people who were coming out and implying that he stole the election, people talking about him and Hunter Biden, his son, people talking about him in a negative way. And what he was trying to do was censor anyone who speaks negatively about him. Tell me who that sounds like. I don't care what his social beliefs are or any other belief. Whatever you believe, it's up to you. But when you censor someone who disagrees with you, that is a dictator. That is something Hitler did. That is something Mussolini did. That is something that when you look at every single evil human being that ruled a country in history, that was one of their number one things they did, was get rid of anybody who says anything opposite of my thinking or talks badly about me. So that's number one, why I think it's very important we cover this. The second thing is, guys, he has, now we're kind of taking it back into crypto and investing realm. He has specifically gone out and attacked your right to be a crypto investor. In fact, one of his things that he's claiming to try to help people with is that I'm going to shut these loopholes of all of these crypto traders and make sure they're paying their fair share of taxes so that you, the American people, don't have to pay as much. Joe, who do you freaking think is trading crypto? It's us, the people. The people that you think that you're trying to help. We are sitting here in a spot that we're saying, I don't know if I'm adequately providing for my family in the normal realm of having a job. I'll tell you an interview, and this is very true. If you have more than like two kids, if you're a family with two kids and you're only making between $80,000 to $120,000, 10 years ago, you're living a very comfortable middle-class life. Now, you are not. But yet that's still considered high wage. If you get a job for $100,000, that is still considered a high wage. And yet it's actually getting hard if you have more than two kids to raise your family on that level. That is why people are trading crypto. People saw the freedom to be able to actually change their life with generational wealth because there's an amazing decentralized way for them to invest wisely. And Joe Biden is trying to screw that up. In fact, he's actually making it the enemy. And in the claim of trying to help defend you and help you, he is making you an enemy. And it is something that is going to destroy the economy. It's going to destroy the wealth. It's going to be a place of, hey, if we want to make everything fair for everyone, guess what's going to happen? We're going to make everybody poor. Right now, there is a problem. I look at poverty, I look at poor, I look at the homeless problem, and there needs to be something that solve it. But saying we're going to raise taxes of certain people and get rid of other people's ability to change their wealth to make everything equal, that leads to where everybody is equal in their poverty, and that's not the solution. As far as our censoring ourselves to say we are just a crypto channel, we're just going to keep it about investments, and we're going to stay out of politics, that's not the answer anymore. We are going to talk politics. We're going to be fair with it. We're going to be open-minded with it. If we say something that is wrong, we're going to be very open to critique and people helping educate us to continue to grow our knowledge. But the time to say, let's separate crypto and politics, the government already ended that. Elizabeth Warren ended that. Joe Biden ended that. No, it's not the time anymore. Crypto is political. It's time that we all think that way.
Wow, you made it to the end of the video. Great job. Now, if you want more content like this, whether it be TA on Bitcoin and Ethereum or altcoins, or you just want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest news in crypto, then stay tuned and tune in to our 9 a.m. live show every single weekday morning. It's 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And when you tune in live, use the keyword grip strength in the chat, and you'll get a special shout out from anyone who's paying attention to the chat. Love to see you there.